Hello everyone, I've been craving for tonkatsu for a while now, so let's make one. We're gonna need, of course, pork cutlets, and we're gonna pound them so they'll be tender later. Season with salt and black pepper. Well, that's easy. For the breading, we need flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Coat the meat with flour and tap the excess. Next one is egg. Make sure you coat everything. And last is the panko breading. Around this time, I already preheated the oil in the stove. And we're ready to fry. Drop the meat slowly and please be careful, it's hot. Make sure to turn it every 2 minutes on low heat and you'll know it's done when it's golden brown. I can't find tonkatsu sauce at Walmart, so let's just make one. We're gonna need ketchup, Worcestershire, soy sauce, and sugar. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix, mix, mix. I'm just shredding cabbage for the side dish. Cut it to bite-sized pieces. Can you hear how crispy it is? Oh well, I'm just ruining my diet. And voila! I think I did a good job for a first time, don't you think? So at this time, it's up to you if you want to see me eat and enjoy this tonkatsu or make your own. Hope you liked the video and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.